You're watching Snatch News, real people, real stories, real impact. Actor David Corenswet, who is taking on the famous role of Superman, is talking about a recent viral event from the movie's set, a heated yet civil argument between him and director James Gunn. According to Corenswet, the interaction symbolizes something uncommon and significant in filmmaking rather than strife. In recent interviews, Corenswet expressed his gratitude that the conversation was caught on tape, calling it incredibly lucky. He clarified that although these kinds of incidents occur more frequently than people realize, the public rarely witness them. He claimed that the argument was about encouraging the performance to be as truthful as possible rather than ego or disagreement. According to Corenswet, an actor needs to be free to publicly criticize decisions. He clarified that he normally asks a director because he believes there might be another emotional level that is worth investigating. According to him, he would rather to be informed straight away if something isn't working than to wait and lose the opportunity to make the scene better. The actor also commended James Gunn for his leadership on the set, stating that the director promotes candid communication while knowing when to step in. According to Corenswet, Gunn is only concerned with what best advances the plot and never takes criticism personally. In previous remarks, James Gunn had a similar opinion, characterizing Corenswet as emotionally courageous and fearless. According to Gunn, the argument produced one of the movie's best scenes, and the tension in the sequence enhanced its emotional effect. The encounter reaffirmed Corenswet's strong belief in the need of teamwork. He claimed that having a director who encourages open communication made him feel encouraged rather than afraid because playing Superman entails a great deal of responsibility. Ultimately, Corenswet believes the viral moment shows the humanity behind big superhero films. As he put it, those discussions are proof that everyone involved is fighting for the same thing, to make the character feel real, grounded, and worthy of the audience's trust. Corenswet said that his perspective on pressure and expectations has altered because of his role as Superman. He claimed that the position continuously serves as a reminder that honesty is the goal rather than perfection. He clarified that Superman's strength is not simply physical proficiency but also moral clarity, and achieving that degree of realism on screen demands awkward dialogue and artistic conflict. In the future, Corenswet thinks that the transparency behind the scenes will let viewers relate to this Superman. He claimed that the outcome feels more human when artists are given the freedom to listen, ask questions, and respectfully disagree. According to him, the viral controversy is evidence that the movie was founded on bravery, trust, and common conviction that the story should be told correctly, rather than a moment that made headlines.